In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up the Wix Chat Assistant. This powerful tool will enhance your website's interactivity by providing real-time assistance to your visitors. Let's dive in. First, head over to wix.com. Once there, click on Login to access your website's dashboard. From the left menu, you'll see options like Apps or App Market indicated by a 4-square icon. Click one of these. Now we move on to adding the Wix Chat, also known as the AI Assistant app. In the app market, simply type Wix Chat or Wix AI Chat Assistant into the search bar. Once found, click Add to Site. You'll notice the chat widget will automatically appear at the bottom right corner of your site. The basic app is free to install, although certain advanced features like enhanced automation may require a Wix Business Premium plan. Next, let's open the Wix Chat settings. Navigate to your site's dashboard, then to Customer Management and Inbox. Here, click on Chat Settings, represented by a gear icon. In this section, you can manage your greeting messages, AI responses, design and placement, as well as your contact form options. Moving forward, it's time to customize your chat assistant's greeting. Under Chat Settings, select Greetings. This is where you set the message visitors will see upon landing on your site. For example, you might choose, "Hi there, how can I help you find the perfect rental today?" Or, "Welcome, need assistance booking a property?" For timing, choose whether the greeting opens instantly or after a slight delay. Keep your greeting short, friendly, and aligned with your business goals. Enabling AI-powered responses can further optimize your site's interactivity. Wix AI Assistant utilizes Wix automations and smart replies to automatically handle common questions. To enable this feature, go to Settings and then Automations. Click plus New Automation to start setting this up. Choose a trigger, such as when a visitor sends a message in chat, and select an action, like sending an automatic reply. You can also add your custom messages or have the AI suggest responses. Additionally, you can connect to Wix Inbox for live chat. Enter the inbox from your dashboard and you'll see all AI and human-driven chats unified in one thread. Here, you can reply instantly, tag team members, add notes, and view contact details. For on-the-go convenience, download the Wix Owner app on iOS or Android to manage chats right from your phone. Now let's focus on customizing your chat widget design. Under Chat Settings, go to Design. Personalize the chat bubble color, text color, and font. You can even change the chat's position or icon style to suit your preference. Make sure your chat colors are consistent with your website's palette for cohesive branding. Optionally, you can add lead capture questions. Under Chat Settings, toggle on Collect Visitor Details within the pre-chat form to gather information like name, email, and phone number. This data is automatically stored within your Wix Contacts CRM, perfect for securing leads for bookings or inquiries. Integrating chat with automations and email is another smart move. Head over to Automations and add a new one. A new chat can trigger actions like sending a thank you email or adding contacts to an email campaign. This provides opportunities for effective follow-up and engagement. Finally, don't forget to publish and test your site. Click Publish Site and visit your live site to send a test message. Check that the greeting displays correctly, AI responses are functioning as expected, and that you receive the chat in your Wix inbox. Once everything is working seamlessly, your AI chat assistant is officially live and ready to transform your customer interaction. That's it for today. You've now learned how to effectively add and set up the Wix AI Chat Assistant on your website, enhancing user engagement and streamlining communication. Happy chatting!